Ever wonder how the gentle giants of the sea, the manatees, manage to survive in different environments? Today, we're going to explore the world of these intriguing marine mammals, unveiling the top 10 things you should know about manatees. From their unique features to their fascinating lifestyle, there's plenty to discover. Are you ready to uncover the mysteries of these gentle aquatic herbivores that captivate the hearts of many? Join us as we dive deep into the life of these fascinating creatures. Starting at number 10, let's talk about where manatees call home. These serene sea cows are not picky about their address. They happily reside in both saltwater and freshwater habitats, ranging from oceans, estuaries, and rivers to coastal wetlands. Whether it's the warm waters of the Florida coast or the murky depths of the Amazon River, manatees have adapted to make the most of their environment. Interestingly, these gentle giants have adapted to thrive in a variety of environments. At number 9, what do these sea cows munch on? Manatees, my friends, are herbivores. They spend a good chunk of their day, up to 7 hours in fact, grazing on underwater plants. With an appetite that could dwarf a land cow's, these gentle giants can consume 10 to 15% of their body weight in vegetation daily. From seagrass to water hyacinths, manatees are not picky eaters. These creatures are indeed nature's lawnmowers of the sea. Number 8 on our list brings us to the threats manatees face. Manatees, often called sea cows, are at a constant risk from a variety of threats. They may appear to have a leisurely life, but their existence is anything but easy. One of the most immediate dangers to these gentle creatures is boat strikes. Their slow-moving, curious nature puts them at great risk from fast-moving watercraft. It's not uncommon for manatees to bear scars from propeller cuts. Habitat loss is another significant threat. As coastal development continues to grow, the manatees' natural habitats are shrinking, making it harder for them to find the warm, shallow waters they need to survive. Lastly, the specter of climate change looms large. Rising sea levels, increasing temperatures, and shifting ocean currents can all impact the manatees' food sources and habitats. It's a tough world out there for these gentle giants. Our 7th fact delves into the world of manatee reproduction. Manatees are solitary creatures, but when it's time to mate, they form groups. After a year-long gestation period, a single calf is born. The bond between mother and calf is strong, with the calf staying close to its mother for up to 2 years. During this time, the mother teaches the calf essential survival skills. Manatees reproduce slowly, which makes them vulnerable to threats. Baby manatees, or calves, are certainly a sight to behold. At number 6, we explore how manatees communicate. These gentle giants might seem silent to the untrained ear, but they have a rich language all their own. Manatees communicate primarily through vocalizations, producing a variety of chirps, whistles, and squeaks to interact with each other. Physical contact also plays a crucial role, especially between mothers and calves. It's fascinating how these large creatures can have such a delicate and subtle way of communicating. Despite their size, manatees have quite a subtle way of communicating. Halfway through our countdown, we look at the different species of manatees. Let's explore the 3 primary species: the Amazonian, the West Indian, and the African manatee. Each dwells in distinct geographical locations. The Amazonian manatee calls the freshwater habitats of the Amazon River home. The West Indian manatee is found in the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico, while the African manatee inhabits the western coasts of Africa. Each species of manatee is unique in its own way. Number 4 brings us to the lifespan of a manatee. These gentle giants of the deep are known to live up to 60 years in the wild, a testament to their resilience. Their impressive lifespan is due in part to their slow metabolism and lack of natural predators. However, factors such as water pollution, boat strikes, and habitat loss pose significant threats to their longevity. Despite these challenges, manatees continue to endure, demonstrating their remarkable resilience. Manatees truly are resilient creatures. At number 3, we discuss the size of these gentle giants. The average adult manatee is a sizable creature, typically reaching lengths of up to 13 feet and weighing anywhere between 800 to 1,200 pounds. That's about the size of a small car. They are indeed large, but this size is necessary for their survival in the aquatic environment. Their size is certainly a testament to their nickname, sea cows. Our penultimate point focuses on manatee conservation. These gentle sea cows, as they're affectionately known, are currently listed as vulnerable on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Red List. This means that they're facing a high risk of extinction in the wild. Threats like habitat destruction, water pollution, and harmful human activities are pushing these serene creatures to the brink. But there's hope. Conservation organizations and government agencies worldwide are stepping up to protect manatees. They're setting up protected areas, rehabilitating injured manatees, and raising awareness about the importance of preserving these marine mammals. Their efforts have resulted in some positive trends. For instance, the West Indian manatee population in Florida has seen a significant increase over the last few decades. Despite these strides, there's still a long way to go. The battle for manatee conservation is far from over. It's a collective effort, requiring the participation and cooperation of everyone. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the survival of these gentle giants. Finally, at number 1, we discuss the intelligence of manatees. These gentle giants exhibit impressive cognitive abilities. They possess long-term memory, able to remember complex tasks, even after a period of 3 years. They also demonstrate problem-solving skills, showing a level of intelligence comparable to dolphins. Manatees can understand basic concepts and even differentiate between objects. So, while they may appear slow and docile, don't be fooled. Manatees are more than meets the eye. They are intelligent and complex creatures. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top 10 things to know about manatees. From their unique habitats and diet, the threats they face, to their reproduction, communication, and the different species, we've also touched on their lifespan, size, the efforts made for their conservation, and their surprising intelligence. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more about the fascinating world of marine life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.